In today's exercise, we will examine the maintenance procedures for our SM swivel. The SM is a high-flow swivel used with a variety of tools, capable of up to 12,000 psi and flows up to 600 gallons per minute. Place the tool in a vise. Remove the O-ring on the inlet nut. Loosen the inlet nut with an adjustable wrench and unscrew it. Note the carbide seat located on top of the shaft. Remove it and examine it for wear. Using a pick, remove the blue high-pressure seal. These are wear items and should be replaced if they are more than 50% worn. Now slide the shaft out of the body, exposing the 3 bearing sets on the shaft. Remove the bearings from the shaft using a press. Once the bearings are removed, wash all parts in solvent and blow dry. Your disassembly is now complete. Begin the reassembly process by greasing the bearing sets. It is important that all 6 sides of the bearings have a generous amount of grease. Using a press, mount the bearings on the shaft. Now flip the assembly and press on the next bearings. Remember to grease each side after you press them on. Continue mounting the bearings and greasing all sides until the 3 bearing sets are on the shaft and all are greased. Next, we'll mount the shaft seals in the body and the inlet nut. This is done using the press with a special mounting tool from StoneAge. We recommend using P80 Grip-It or a similar lubricant when installing these seals. The first seal goes into the inlet nut. Note the lip of the seal faces down in this procedure. Now mount the seal into the inlet nut with the press. Press the second shaft seal into the body using the StoneAge SM105 tool. Note the lip side of the seal fits on the SM105 tool for installation. With the shaft seals in place, grease them liberally in preparation for inserting the shaft. You can now slide the shaft with the greased bearings into the body. Replace the high-pressure seal and the carbide seat. Grease both items before replacing. The carbide seat should be installed with the chamfered side up as shown. Now brush blue goop on the threads of the inlet nut and hand tighten into the body. We'll finish tightening the inlet nut in the vise in a moment. Screw the grease Zerk into the body using a 5/16 inch socket driver. Now move the swivel back to the vise and secure using the wrench flats on the body. Use an adjustable wrench to tighten the inlet nut down. Finally, replace the O-ring in the inlet nut. Your assembly is now complete. Thanks, and as always, our technical specialists are on hand to answer any questions or procedural issues you may have.